Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the IKARE brand dog ramp. This is for small pets that are trying to get up into higher cars or sofas or anything like that. It's a simple thing for small pets. We're going to open it up, we're going to demonstrate it, and let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so when we open this up, you'll see that it's very well packaged, presented in a very safe manner. To protect the ramp. So, as you'll see, some instructions fell out, but this thing is really simple and easy. So, you will have your warranty card here, and as you'll notice, this thing just pops up, kind of set it in place, and that's it. What I will probably bring you in a little bit closer on, I'm hoping you can see this, is there's a little clip here that's going to clip with this so that when it's down, it'll just kind of lock into place just like that. Now it's got a convenient, very convenient handle, and as you can tell, a felt little ramp board, so the paws and potentially nails aren't getting scratched up on the ground. So what we'll do here is try and show you height-wise how it works. There's multiple options for the height adjustments. So there's going to be a low, a very low position. Of course, it's not really moving into it very nicely. There's a lower position, higher position, and the highest position. And as you can see, the highest position is going to go right up to the sofa there. So if you're on a higher bed, for example, it might be a little bit difficult, but for the most part, it should be relatively easy. So let's test it out. Good boy. And down. All right, come on. Good boy. Good boy. All right, and finally it comes with a screwdriver and some felt pads that will go basically onto the base parts. You can put them on here, but most importantly, you'll be able to put them on parts too, and to kind of make sure that it's not really going to touch too much on the ground, hardwood. So there's a couple different options. That's all in the instructions here. And again, hopefully this has helped you to decide whether or not you'd like to buy it or not. And I think it's worth buying. So thanks for watching.